A lot of claps, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of clapping hearts, and a lot of waving hands. Thank you, Darshana, for joining us again, and we are waiting excitedly for your poem.
Yeah. So I live in London and क्या बोलूँ आज का वेदर भी इतना बेईमान है
जी
पूरी सनलाइट है पर इतनी ठंड है
वाह
एक आशिक के जैसे ही बेईमान है आज का वेदर लंदन का
होना चाहिए
So I published a book of poems.
हम्म
Tell me your dreams and other poems. It's in English.
जी
मैं हिंदी में भी लिखती हूँ but आज इंग्लिश में पढ़ूंगी. The title of the poem is Thoughtless Words.
जी
The more I look at you, the more I'm mesmerized. The more far I go from you, the closer you come. The more I try to dislike you, the more I respect you. The more I try to find faults with you, the more I'm convinced you're the one for me. The more try to keep you away, the more I like you. The more I think about your principles, the more they match with mine. The more I avoid you, the more you trespass in my thoughts. The more the time passes, the more mysterious our relationship grows. And there's another poem.
जी बिल्कुल
Uh, so हम रिलेशनशिप में तो पड़ जाते हैं, but the thing is that we never have time for
जी
each other, and the main reason for this is हमारा फोन. तो मैं बोलती हूँ ये फोन है ना सौतन है मेरी. तो उसी के ऊपर इंग्लिश में लिखा है मैंने और उसका टाइटल है व्हेन यू हैव टाइम. सो व्हेन यू हैव टाइम, touch me with your fingers when you are done with your mobile. Look at me completely when all your emails are done. Talk to me when all your WhatsApp chats are done. Smile at me when you're done with all the smileys. जो हम smileys भेजते रहते हैं ना लोगों को. Hug me in reality. Hug me in reality when the photo sessions on the Instagram are done. At least sometimes check me out. At least sometimes check me out instead of checking us in on Facebook.
क्या बात है everyone please.
So Dani Saab, thank you very much for this platform and really enjoy your company on Friday evenings.
Thank you so much. Please keep coming back. I can imagine it's a fat book that you've published, and there are loads and loads of poems in them, and we'll be all delighted to hear all of those poems. So keep coming.
Yeah, can I ask you a question?
Please.
Is blue your favorite color?
Oh yes, you figured that out.
See you next time, guys. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye.
And with this, a big good night, Darshana. Everyone, please a big round of applause for Darshana. She is a Darshana 5 half. That's her handle.